Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I'm going to make a very simple and quick dish. It is cucumber shallow fry. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Peel and finely chop or grate the ginger. Finely chop the green chillies. Peel and chop the onions to moderate size pieces. Also chop the cucumber to moderate size pieces and keep everything ready. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. When it starts spluttering, add the cumin seeds. When it stops spluttering, add the ginger, green chilies and onions. Add salt and sauté till the onions become translucent. Then add the chopped cucumber and cook with intermittent stirring till the cucumber becomes soft but still maintains its crunchiness. Then transfer it to a serving plate and enjoy the delicious dish. You can serve it with any of the Indian breads or even eat it on its own.